Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School Mahua am here to further continue with the subject of social science for the students of class 8. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we started unit number 3, that is Nationalism in India. We covered the topic of the initial stages of Indian National Congress. We also discussed about the partition of Bengal. Today, we are going to see Bang Bang movement, the movement against the partition of Bengal, as the Britishers were knowing that Bengal was a large province and it was getting difficult to control those situations, and hence they decided to divide and rule and start a communalism, a kind of religional differences between the Hindus and Muslims of India, and hence they started the partition of Bengal. Bang Bang movement against the partition of Bengal. The people opposed this effort to break the unity and integrity of Bengal by rallies, demonstrations, and by distributing pamphlets. Vande Mataram song from the novel Anand Math, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, became popular slogan during this protest. The nation was swept by a strong wave of nationalism, and hence the people opposed opposed these efforts of the Britishers to break the unity and integrity among the Hindus and Muslims. They started number of rallies, many rallies, and the demonstrations, and also they were distributing the pamphlets. The song Vande Mataram, which was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, became the popular slogan, and hence the nation was suffering from a strong wave of nationalism. That means each and every people of India were inbuilt, they were having nationalism, and hence they were opposing this partition of Bengal. People in Bengal observed the day of the implementation of partition as a mourning day. People went on a strike for all over the regions. As per the suggestions of Rabindranath Tagore, that day was celebrated as the Day of Unity, and hence the people in Bengal observed the day of implementation of the partition as a mourning day, that means as a sad day, and the strikes were done all over the region, and it was also, as per the suggestions of Rabindranath Tagore, declared as the Day of Unity. The very next topic is Swadeshi movement. It was decided to intensify the movement against the partition of Bengal and expand its base. The three main characteristics of the movement were to trade and use Indian, that means only Swadeshi goods, to boycott the imported products, to acquire national education and boycott English education. Swadeshi, that means of our own country. So, what was Swadeshi movement? The people, it was decided that in order to oppose the partition of Bengal and expand the base of this, the three main characteristics of Swadeshi movement was done. The movement in the movement it was decided that we will trade and use only Indian goods. We need to boycott, that means stop using the foreign goods. And the third topic which was covered in Swadeshi movement was to acquire the national education and boycott the English education system. To achieve this goal, a committee was formed under the leadership of a renowned member of Indian National Congress like Surendranath Banerjee, Bankim Chandra Pal, Arvind Ghosh, etc. They urged the Indians to boycott foreign goods and clothes and use the Swadeshi goods. Through articles in newspaper, processions, public meetings, and folk songs, people were made to understand the importance of using Swadeshi goods. And hence, in order to make this movement successful, various leaders of the Indian National Congress started and formed a committee to achieve the goals. And the main focus in order to achieve this movement, in order to achieve the success of this movement, they urged the Indian people to boycott the foreign goods and clothes and also use the Swadeshi goods. The people were made aware and aware about the importance of the Swadeshi good through articles in the newspaper, processions, meetings, and also the folk songs. Factories were started to produce Swadeshi goods. The import of the goods like textile, salt, sugar, cigarette, tobacco, etc. from England decreased drastically, and the sale of Indian commodities and the textile increased. The Swadeshi movement spread in other parts of India too, and this is how the import from the foreign countries were reduced and the people started using the Indian commodities, and this was how the Swadeshi movement spread in the other parts of India in order to use the Indian products. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. In the very next class, we will continue with the further part of the chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.